Hi, my name is Evelyn, and I'm an undergraduate student studying cell biology. I really enjoyed watching all of the lectures by the New Emeriti and specifically found Dr. Cherry's lecture incredibly fascinating. Learning about the history behind X-rays and scans and seeing what early imaging machines looked like and comparing them to what modern machines look like was very interesting. Also, while I had heard of PET scans, I didn't know the science behind them. It was so cool to learn about the different types of radio tracers that are used depending on what you are looking to show, because it got me thinking about how I could apply this to my personal life. Being interested in oncology, I was fascinated by the fact that using glucose with a fluorine radioactive tag is highly effective at detecting cancerous tissues. Lastly, the development of the total body PET scan amazed me. It was exciting to see how you transformed an idea that was nothing like anything else into a real product that will change the lives of millions of people. I was also impressed by the fact that you can inject less radiation into a patient, but still get extremely high quality images. So thank you, Dr. Cherry, for your very informative lecture, as well as Dr. Geps, Pesa, Hernandez Avila, Shapiro, Risbud, Britt, Tierdema, and Ciola. Thank you.